It's Friday, June 15th, around noon, recording this in Stockholm on behalf of Infront Finance. Welcome to Nordic Market News. It's been an exceptionally eventful week in the world and consequently in the Nordics as well. To give you a bit of a throwback of these past few days, we started off with the G7 summit in Canada, followed up with Donald Trump meeting Kim Jong-un, very historical, on Tuesday morning in Stockholm time. Markets had a bit of time to react, but they were quite hesitant on Tuesday in anticipation of the Federal Reserve meeting that went down on Wednesday. This was followed up by the European Central Bank rate decision on Thursday, and this morning it was time for Bank of Japan to give their rate decision. Nevertheless, here we are on Friday, so let's have a look at the numbers. The numbers so far this week, the biggest advance this week is seen in Stockholm and the OMXS30 index, which is up by 1.6%, followed by Oslo and Copenhagen, and in the bottom we have Helsinki. So let's have a look how the week went down among stocks. On Monday, banks led the advance on Nordic markets. The Swedish banks SEB and Handelsbanken, as well as Danish Jyske Bank, they received raised recommendations by the quite distinguished American bank Goldman Sachs. On Tuesday, Swedish retailer H&M stole the market's focus. H&M chairman and main shareholder Stefan Persson, who is also one of the richest men in Sweden, he sold a significant stake in tech company Hexagon. And this move fueled speculations that Stefan Persson is gathering funds for an H&M buyout. The H&M share price rose 5%. Other than that, Norwegian, the airline that is continuously volatile and on Wednesday the stock price descended almost 4% on the news of a brand new flight route from Oslo to Tel Aviv. While on Thursday the stock price recovered completely, and this time it was after a statement from IAG saying that they're still open-minded about acquiring Norwegian. And in April, it became known that IAG, also the company behind, for example, British Airways, is looking to add Norwegian to their portfolio. However, the potential takeover seems to have gone rather stale as of late, as it has been quiet from IAG these last weeks. The Norwegian Air Shuttle stock is up 40% since the bid speculations in April. Furthermore, on Tuesday, Danish jewelry maker Pandora absolutely plummeted. The market is concerned about the future sales development, according to Ritzau Finans. And the Pandora stock fell almost 6% for the day. With a few hours left of trading on Friday, Nordic indices seem to venture lower. Earlier this morning, it became known that the US President Donald Trump will issue heavy tariffs on Chinese goods. This is interpreted as a turn towards the protectionistic route, which is troublesome for the small, open and trade-reliant countries of the Nordics. That's it for this week's Nordic Market News. Enjoy your weekend.